Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be doing a quick comparison between two of the brand new cases that are out for the iPad Pro 11-inch. This is the UAG, the Urban Armor Gear. This is the Metropolis, and this is the Otterbox Symmetry 360. Let's get them both on. We're going to compare them, see what we like about them, see what we don't like about them, and see which one is going to be best for you. So let's get started with the Otterbox Symmetry 360 edition. So right away we have a magnetic overlay, magnetic snapping, foldable piece right here on the edge, a little flap. You have two different positions you can actually stand this in. One like that, and one in a keyboard or a typing mode, like that. When you fold this behind, you put that flap there and it holds the back just like so. And all of our cutouts match up. Now let's get the tablet in and see what it looks like. We have a real snug fit. There we go. Fits in, goes real nice. You get to still see your Apple logo, your Apple branding in the back. Let's take a look at this. Apple Pencil goes there. Apple Pencil still charges and syncs. Let's make sure we can get that on camera. Apple Pencil charges and syncs through this case. Boom, there we go. This case also supports Apple's sleep wake feature. So now we're going to test that sleep wake feature. We have all of our volume up. I'm just going to close the screen. There we go. Awake. Sleep. I got to turn the screen on. There we go. Now let's put it back to sleep. Notice the sound. There we go. Apple Pencil is secure, hidden right here on the side, and it is still charging as we are on the go. All of our ports sync up. Camera's nice and open right there in the back. Microphones up top and our speakers up top are available. Pretty nice case. Now this case is going to run you $79.99. It actually comes in two separate colors for this tablet. It comes in the gray version that I have here, and it also comes in a black version, and I think the black is on back order, but if you be patient you can get that from either the Apple Store or either directly from the Otterbox website. Next we have the case by UAG. This is the Metropolis. This one offers 360 protection as well, just like the Otterbox case. Also has magnetic flap, allows you to stand the case up in multiple viewing angles to be able to view videos and television shows and things of that nature. Also has a specified spot up top for your Apple Pencil. So right off the bat, we know we're not going to be charging our Apple Pencil with this tablet. So that's one up that the Otterbox is going to have on it. Let's put this in though. Both of these tablets have been drop tested and they do survive. That's according to the companies, not according to me now. Auto sleep wake feature. Let's test that out. Okay, so that's another thing. So that's two down. The Otterbox supports auto sleep wake and UAG does not. Also, UAG will not allow you to charge your pencil and keep it protected. It does fit, but any little motion, see, it's gonna come loose. The Otterbox case does not have that flapping motion. Once it's on, it's secure. It's specifically made for that. So that's two things that it has. No auto sleep wake and less protection for your Apple Pencil. Now, Apple Pencil is stored up top on this one. It is not said to be stored here, so that's something that I've tried on my own, but it does not give you as much protection as up top. So initially it is supposed to be right up here, up top. Now this one gives you multiple viewing angles. Because of the rubberized shell, it allows it to stick to this microfiber material. which that's one up on the Symmetry. There you have it. So all in all, both cases are gonna be really protective for your iPad. Over here with the Otterbox 360 Symmetry, you're gonna get protection for that pencil as it sits on the outside, and you get that strong magnet that's gonna hold it closed once it's in. You get multiple viewing angles, and you're gonna also get the auto sleep wake feature as you open it up and close it. Over here, you get the same 360 protection all the way around without the storage on the side and charging and syncing for the Apple Pencil, and without the auto sleep wake feature. So over here, I give the winner to the 360 Symmetry. It has everything built into it that you're gonna need. It has the sleep wake, it has the protection for your Apple Pencil, and it's actually gonna protect your device all the way around, and you get the cool view from the back. Not knocking UAG because they got a good product, but just for me, the Otterbox is gonna do it. So leave your comments below and let me know which one you like. Give me that thumbs up. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.